Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to share with you this fantastic place. It is true that there is no place like home, but the Fortis is your home in nature. It is located in Montevista, Davao de Oro. And from Davao City, we traveled about 2 hours and a half. The Fortis Nature Park and Inland Resort offers day tour and overnight stay. Day tour entrance fee is 80 pesos for 2 to 10 years old and 150 for adults. Marami po silang choices sa villas and rooms na available. And we stayed in Kaylee's Villa with exclusive mini pool and free breakfast. They have area where you can take Instagrammable photos and enjoy their overlooking place that you shouldn't miss. So, what are you waiting for? I-add nyo na sa bucket list nyo. Peace and relaxation are what the Fortis offer. They have swimming pool, kawa bath, ATV bikes, boating, and many more. It's a perfect place to unwind. Sobrang romantic ng place. We really loved our stay there.
I love your finger!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.